Hey everyone, welcome back to Danvar Tech. Ever wanted to chat with your friends in Roblox using your own voice? Well, today I'll show you how to unlock voice chat quickly and easily. Let's dive in. Open your Roblox app and tap on More at the bottom right. Now tap on Settings and select the first option, Account Info. You can do this the same way on your mobile phone by following a few simple steps. To enable voice chat, you must verify your age. Without verification, you won't be able to access voice chat. To verify your age, tap on Verify My Age. Now scan this QR code using your phone's camera app. Tap on Being Verify. Now select your country and tap on Select. Now select ID, which you have. Upload a clear photo of your ID, both front and back. Avoid using fake IDs as they won't work on Roblox and will only waste your time. After processing, tap on Get Started and upload a clear selfie of yourself. It's done. Now go to Privacy, scroll down and find the microphone or camera input option. Turn on the microphone to enable voice chat. Now you will see the microphone icon. Tap on it to turn your microphone on or off. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Danvar Tech for more useful tips. See you in the next one.